The eConsent framework. Practically, eConsent just means using an electronic method to obtain and document informed consent. eConsent can be simple, just an e-version of a paper document, but could be more complex and include podcasts, videos, and avatars. There's no spontaneous generation going on here. The framework gives you the structure to provide eConsent. We get it. eConsent can seem scary, but you can set up a basic eConsent by following a few simple steps. There's even a template in the REDCap template library, which you can find when creating a new project. First, enable surveys on the project setup page. Then, within the online designer, set up a survey instrument with the consent language you want to include, along with key fields like name field, signature, and date field. Next, enable the consent instrument as a survey. The eConsent framework is enabled on an individual survey basis rather than on an entire project. To enable the eConsent framework, go to the survey settings and turn on the Auto Archiver plus eConsent framework. The Auto Archiver saves a PDF copy of all submitted eConsents in the file repository. You have the option to include the version number of the consent. This allows you to give a number or alphanumeric designation to represent the current version of the consent. You may also enter optional fields like date of birth or eConsent type. eConsent type helps distinguish between multiple consents in the same project. For example, pediatric versus adult. These fields will be inserted at the bottom of each page in the PDF version of the consent. The eConsent framework also enables a confirmation screen in which the participant or patient will be asked to review and certify their responses. If the responder chooses to press previous page, these fields will be cleared, forcing them to re-sign. This feature is only enabled if you specify a signature field in this section. Now, go forth, build, and consent.